Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations. Coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Amadiva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is red, white, and blue. Next week's theme is white with a pop of color. So pretty easy, and you can just enter into our collabs, which is hashtag 2crafters1design or hashtag Satmorn which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All of the ladies' links will be down below. So this week I went with the theme of red, white, and blue. Of course, these are some of the items I'm using. So from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using Blessings. Also from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using Summer, the die Summer. And Bo Bunny, the candy dots, I'm using some of these, I do believe, some of the red from here, I do believe. And then for my creative time, I'm using the smallest die here. And if you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. However, this set is no longer in her store because these are retired. From Gina Marie, I don't know what the name of this set is, but this is what I'm using here. And I'm using the largest one. My creative time, I'm using, I want to say this one right here, the third one in. And then I had a chance to use the Summertime Vacay, and this is so cute, but I only used the water, the sand, the waves, and one of the chairs. That's all I used from there, besides the layering pieces. And here goes the card that I created. I mean, what better way to celebrate Memorial Day coming in than to go to the beach? And that's what most people do, or a lot of people do anyways. And so I thought I would try and create a nighttime scene a little bit. Oh, and there's one more other thing I forgot to show you that I used. I also used the starry background embossing folder from my creative time. So that's the last thing that I used. But let me show you this a little bit more close. I really like it. Now you can see the starry background embossing folder on there. And there goes that Summer Blessings from Honeybee Stamps. And of course, this is from Spellbinders. Love that little scene. It's just too cute. Just perfect for Memorial Day weekend. And sending someone some summer blessings, whoever receives this. And then there goes the inside of my card. But super cute. If you have the time, make sure you enter into our collab, which is red, white, and blue this week. Next week is white with a pop of color. Make sure you enter into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Satmorn as well. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Stay safe out there and enjoy your holiday weekend. Bye-bye.